Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can buy USDT Tether on the Revolut app. Also, just a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice. You spend your money at your own risk and at your own responsibility. And now let's go ahead and continue. So once you log in into your Revolut app, to purchase some USDT, you would need to go to the crypto tab right here. From there, on the crypto tab, you would need to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and just type in USDT. So once you typed in USDT, here are some search results. So from here, you can just tap on the Tether, the first option, if you want to purchase USDT. Now, once you're on this specific crypto tab for Tether, you can just go ahead and tap buy right here. And on this screen, you would need to input the amount of funds that you would like to exchange for USDT. So let's say $5. $5 will buy me 4.9 USDT minus that transaction fee. So now just go ahead and tap preview order. And here you can see everything about this order. So to confirm this purchase, you can just click confirm order and then USDT will be credited to your Revolut account. Now to see the USDT that you purchased, you can go back until you come back to this crypto tab screen. So on this screen you can see your Tether portfolio or your general crypto portfolio. But as you can see on my screen, Tether is right here. And here you can see the total value that you own. So essentially, that's guys how you can purchase or buy Tether USDT on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.